welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to Rivers Mall.
We are already into Rivers.
We are already into Rivers Mall. So today I will be showing you, I'll be taking you along. Okay, this is hi guys, this is my outfit of the day. I've worn the trench coat because it was so cold in the morning, then this floral dress and black heels. Let me remove the trench coat to see my dress. Yeah, it's my dress. So if you have not watched my toy shopping, my easily shopping, make sure you watch those videos.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one, walking alone on the cold.
So guys, you are here already in the mall. My sister is looking for specific skincare products.
A scrubber, some, I don't know if they are stones or salt. We'll take on
The stones. Really stones.
They are not stones, they are salt. I don't know what kind of salt.
Have you heard of something like that? We have come all the way to look for skin
But
products.
I'm sure it's in
Carrefour. So what we will be looking for, we are looking for 3 products.
We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your.
So guys, we are here, we are looking for, I see, I even need a mirror. I need a mirror. You know, when you're reviewing clothes, you need a mirror. Yeah, and I think I found one. Let me show you guys. What do you think? Is that big enough? How much are they selling this mirror? This mirror is 2,700, and they have a small one, they have a circle one, and a box one. I also want some frames.
You wanted a plastic flower?
Yeah, I want a plastic flower.
A big one?
A big one and a bit green. I don't want red. Red is a bit, yeah. Like this one, the green and the purple. How much is this? Guys, I was looking for a fake plant. 680. So affordable. And though it's nice. And a vase. Needed a vase. Vases. Between this brand and Depsy, which one do you take? And this one has a promotion.
136, 116, 116.
And is it salty? Ni salty? Hazijaandikwa.
Defeated by the dreams and the memories we've made, to see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me, walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your.
the mall. Don't come so close. Oh, because of the voice. We are outside the mall. This is how outside the mall looks like. Very beautiful. So beautiful. So guys, you can come here with your families, with your friends. You can come here for a date. And you can also come here alone. There are so many things you can do. Okay, so make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you're enjoying. Don't worry, I was eating crepes. Check it bag. Okay, this one may be for Kimberly, but for you, no.
But I love the color.
Maybe the color is so good. Guys, you're here at Miniso store. Yeah.
They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there. They say you don't gotta go.
So guys, that was all. Yeah, it's cold, so we want to go back home. That's why I even carried my trench coat. So if you have enjoyed this vlog, a big thumbs up. A big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, and yeah, share this video with your friends, with your family. Yeah, enjoy. Bye. Wait, kona haraka ya kwenda wapi? I want to talk with my people. Bye bye. Bye.